the hood that was on it, and yeah, I started taking the whole thing apart. I made a video about that. I don't think I ever put it up. So basically, where we're at is I took the hood off to sell it. I pulled the headlights out again to paint the covers. I got the bumper cover ready over here, but I need to put the mounts on, which they're all torn up on like every bumper I have. So I have to get some blast and paint them. And I started taking the fender off, which I think was all but like one bolt. And because of where the car was before, I couldn't get it. It's down here. It's the one that's always crushed and hard to get to. So if I can find that today, yeah, there she is. I might be able to just knock it out real quick and pull the bumper off, and then we'll be like pretty much there. It's just a matter of painting everything and putting it back on. The door's still dented, like always, but I have the guy who said he probably can fix it and then we can paint it. But like, man, I know this thing's been sitting for like 2.5 years, pretty much since I bought my Corvette. But damn, this like the weather was not good on this thing at all. There's mildew everywhere, or moss, whatever that is, mold, something. The brakes are locked up on one side, I think, or something, because I hit the brakes and it slid like that. So that's, not usually a good sign either. The rust doesn't look like it got much worse, but I'm sure I'll be very upset when it did get a lot worse. And the spoiler broke for some reason just on that mount, and I can't really see why, so I'll have to take that off and fix that again like I did when I first bought the car. But other than that, it's really not that bad. You just have to put it all back together.